gonna have a picnic. Yay, we are in Suan Somdet.
It's another family bonding.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, I gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll
Special. Alright, how about Rapunzel? Rapunzel's song.
Rapunzel, let down your golden hair.
I don't know anything.
No, let the power shine. What was that?
Shining, gleam, and glow.
Aray ko.
Make the power shine. Make the clock reverse. Who says the words to pine?
Our Beauty and the Beast. Do you know the song?
Beauty and the Beast.
Make the power. Ba. What else? Last Christmas.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, I gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Special.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart,
Twice
but the
shine.
very...
Shine.
No. I'll sing it. Once bitten and twice shy. I keep my distance and you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, you still recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day,
I gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special.
wow. Santa, tell me.
Santa, tell me, is you really there? And I just fell in love again, and you will be here next year.
What else? What else?
Cinderella.
Oh, Cinderella?
Don't have any.
What else? Aladdin.
Huh?
Aladdin. Do you know Aladdin? Aladdin song. Ate will read us a story.
I want to see. There's no pictures. No, there's no. How does it here?
Sige na, ate.
One cold evening, an ugly old woman came to the castle. She said she needed a place to stay. She offered a rose as a gift. The prince of the castle was unkind and said no. The woman used magic to change the prince into an ugly beast. She put a spell on everyone in the castle. To break the spell, the prince had to love and be loved. But he didn't have much time. The spell had to be broken before the rose loses its petals. Lost its petals.
So what does the beast need to do?
To love, be loved, and
To love and
Beloved.
be loved.
Unconditional.
Okay, let's continue the story.
in a village near the beast's castle lived a girl named Belle. She was smart, kind. She loved to read, learn, and dream. A strong hunter named Gaston.
Oh, this is Ate's favorite. Gaston.
Your favorite Gaston.
No, but to sound like Gaston. Oh, so rude! lived in the village. He loved only himself, but wanted to marry Belle. I'm the most handsome man, he said, but
Yeah,
Belle
laughing.
didn't care that he was the most handsome man. He was ugly inside.
Why do you think he's ugly
I
inside?
don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
What does it mean? He's ugly inside.
I can't. Is he talking myself?
Yes. Look at that. Look at the women. Oh, custom. Oh, next. What happened? What happened to Belle Belle?
Her name's not Belle.
Belly button.
No. Belle's father, Maurice, was an inventor. One day, he decided to take one of his inventions to a fair. But along the way, he got lost in the forest. Dun, dun, dun.
We forgot to bring the pie again.
He got lost in the forest.
Mama!
Next.
What happened next?
I can't. Wait, guys.
No, you can lie down.
Because I don't want the sun.
Oh.
Yay. Maurice saw the beast castle and went inside. What are you doing here? Yelled the beast. He was mad to find a stranger in his castle. The beast locked up Maurice. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What's the position?
Ba naman?
When her father didn't return, Belle went looking for him. She found the castle and her father. Belle begged the beast to let her father go. Take me instead, she cried. Take me instead.
Take me instead with a feeling.
Silly Maui. The beast agreed. He let Maurice go, but Belle had to stay with the beast forever.
Ang daming mumu.
The beast took Belle to her room. He told her to stay away from the west wing
Up the
of
castle.
the castle. Dad really.
Sorry.
Belle was sad. She thought the beast was unkind. Then Belle was surprised. The Belle had changed the people. No, I made it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. If the rose was destroyed, the spell will never to be broken. Faye!
No, Daddy.
Let's study.
Scared Belle ran out of the castle. But outside it was dark and dangerous. Wolves attacked Belle. Suddenly the beast arrived. He fought the wolves and saved Belle, but he got hurt. Belle helped the beast back to the castle and thank you for saving my life.
Thank you very much for saving my life.
He said. Belle and the beast been trying to good run. The beast tried to use good manners. They started to like each other. They danced and hair flying together. Wait, what are you doing to my hair? Too cool. Too cool. Belle was happy but missed her father. The beast showed Belle a magic mirror. She saw her father in it. He looked sick and weak. The beast gave the magic mirror to her. Take it with you.
Take it with you.
He said sadly. With the mirror, Belle could see the beast when they are far apart.
Come in.
castle. She took care of her father. She told Maurice that the beast had changed. He become kind and generous.
And then, what happened next?
Gaston arrived at Belle's house. He saw the beast in the magic mirror. Gaston told the villagers that the beast was dangerous. He led them in attacking the castle.
So they're gonna attack the castle.
Let's attack the beast!
Yeah! Let's attack the mummy!
Am I a beast?
You're not brown skin. Gaston surprised the beast. Gaston, don't! Cried Belle. But he stabbed the beast from behind.
Belle, how does Belle say it?
Gaston, don't!
She's a woman. And she speaks very, very ladylike.
Ate doesn't know how to be a woman. A
I'm
girl.
gonna say it, dali.
Gaston,
Hi.
Don't!
ew.
She doesn't like a girly thing.
Okay, come on.
Continue.
He came over the well of the roof. The beast fell into Belle's blah blah.
Arm.
Fine, I don't want to read it. Boring part for me. You came back.
Wait, there's a Peppa Pig there.
She doesn't like to read
The Belle part?
the sweet part.
Yeah, said the beast. He was very happy to see Belle, but he was hurt badly. Hurt. The beast closed his eyes. Please don't leave me, or Belle. No, don't. No.
Don't leave me. Leo.
we are done eating.
Yeah, I'm not reading the end of the story. I just skipped it away. It's not my.
Thank you for joining us.
My singing.
Our breakfast picnic here.
Fab, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
See you next.